The cabin air filter in your 2012-2017 Toyota Camry is essential for maintaining clean air inside the car. It's located behind the passenger side glove box. The filter traps dust, pollen, and other contaminants, preventing them from circulating in the cabin. A clogged filter can reduce airflow, strain the AC, and cause unpleasant odors. Toyota recommends replacing it every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually, depending on your driving conditions. Newer HEPA filters offer enhanced protection against allergens and fine particles. Replacing the cabin air filter is a straightforward DIY task that takes about 10 to 15 minutes. First, open the glove box and empty its contents. Next, disengage the glove box stops, allowing it to swing down further. You may need to pinch or unhook latches. Behind the glove box, you'll find a plastic cover for the filter housing. Unclip or unscrew this cover. Slide out the old filter, noting the direction of airflow indicated by the arrows. Insert the new filter with the arrows pointing in the same direction. Reassemble the cover, glove box latches or hinges, and glove box contents. Using OEM or compatible aftermarket filters ensures proper fit.